Located just steps from Austin's eclectic music and nightlife scene, Thompson and Tommie Austin rise above 5th and San Jacinto in a stylish 32-story development. Inside, sleek architectural elements, bold design, and airy spaces showcase downtown Austin's urban vibe. Both hotels share amenities, which we will show later on in the video. First, let's take a look at our standard king room at the Tommie. Upon entering, I noticed how small this room was and how things were laid out to maximize the space. There's a small storage area to the right for your luggage and clothes. This board shows some of the hotel's amenities and features of the room. Here's the large king bed with a unique light fixture that adds a nice touch to the room. Additional storage, including a safe, can be found under the bed. Here's a body-length mirror by the window which has great views of downtown Austin. There's a big screen TV and the bathroom sink that is out in the open. We have seen this before at other hotels we've stayed at, and I think it's a strange setup, but it's designed to maximize the space. This mirror is adjustable, so you can turn it towards the chair. There's a small fridge hidden in a drawer below the sink. Let's take a look at the very compact shower and toilet. There's no curtain or door to separate the shower from the toilet, another design feature to maximize the space. Earplugs are provided since 6th Street gets noisy in the evenings. Now let's take a look at our standard king room at the Thompson. Upon entering, I noticed how much more luxurious and spacious this room feels compared to the Tommie. The king bed with unique accent lighting immediately stands out. These items under the TV are for purchase, except for the water bottles, which are complimentary. There's a fridge which is filled with more items for purchase. There's a small table with a chair if you need to do some work. Check out this comfy seating area and a great view of downtown Austin. Earplugs are provided right by the Bluetooth speaker. Let's head back towards the entrance to check out the closet and bathroom. It's a decent-sized closet which has 2 bathrobes, slippers, and a boot jack which can be purchased. The modern bathroom is much more spacious compared to the Tommie. There are 2 restaurants on property. Diner Bar serves southern food inspired by regional ingredients and local Texan flavors. The Gray Market Austin features counter service, display cases filled with baked goods, and grab-and-go items. We had breakfast here, which features traditional American favorites, as well as southern dishes like this battered fried fish and grits, which was tasty. We also had an omelette and a banana smoothie. The coffee bar at Tommie features curated coffee drinks during the daytime, local craft brews and wines in the afternoon, and light snacks all day. The space is cozy and inviting, which makes having your drinks and snacks more enjoyable. Take note that free local tours are provided, which you have to reserve in advance. The hotel features a beautiful pool deck and rooftop bar overlooking the incredible views of downtown Austin. Grab some drinks and snacks while relaxing at the plethora of pool chairs, or rent a cabana if you want the extra space. There's a surprisingly large fitness center measuring over 6,700 square feet of space. It features top-of-the-line equipment from Techno Gym, Peloton bikes, free weights, private studio space, and a full-swing sports simulator. We enjoyed our stay at this new and modern hotel. Tommie is a great choice for budget-minded travelers, while Thompson is geared more towards luxury. Both hotels served as a perfect home base for our stay, as it was close to many restaurants and tourist attractions Austin has to offer, and we would stay here again. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.